First of all, I am ex-chairman of the KTC, Kadamba. So it's nice feeling. Kadamba was something which I was considering always my own. It is nice and this will help. I only want the association to work hand in hand so that a lot of people are benefited. Right from the bus stop to the factory, this is a service that will help. We have a ladies hostel also coming. Even that will help. The ring roads, all the roads, we want association to coordinate so that there is more advantage to the workers. The whole job is done by the IDC. IDC has done a lot of improvements, lot of systems we have put in place. And one of the systems which will help the industry is the transport bus service for the people. One, safety of the women and safety of the workers also will be utmost importance. In that line, it has been done, and it will help most of the workers of the industry. So again, I would thank the KTC for giving us a bus. It is a bus service which will, our contribution also is there, IDC contribution is there, which will be an added boost to the service so that the service doesn't stop. It should not be just started and then stop for some time. That is my only thing. One bus.
For now, one bus, and then later?
As of now, one bus, but then the second bus will also be there because of the route.
The fare of the service?
Fare will be 10 rupees. You go one stop, 10 stops, it will be 10 rupees because it's considered as one stop to another stop. So, second part is the cost of the bus. We are having a tie-up with the KTC. Part of the revenue we will be putting in Kadamba, whichever, if there is a loss in the Kadamba service. If Kadamba means there are less takers, we will be contributing. Otherwise, I think it should be sustainable. No, this is the industrial state. This is our prime industrial state, Verna. We look forward in having service in most of the industrial states, whichever possible. We look forward. See, it's just a beginning. You can't expect us to go everywhere. It has to succeed in one place and then we can replicate the model somewhere else. We have to see how it goes also. Simply we can't start putting buses here and there.
Is it an AC car?
Yeah. Which will be emission free also.
Yeah, so today with the support of KTCL and also under the leadership of our chairman sir, we have started this intra-state bus service within the Verna industrial estate. So this is to help the workers move within the industrial estate, and this demand has come from Verna industrial estate for a quite long time. And I am extremely happy and glad that under the leadership of our chairman sir, today we are able to start this service. I wish the KTCL all the best and I hope this will be a great success.